Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Vivi Arfianti. I will explain to a third grade elementary school science lesson on weather. Hello smart kids, good morning. How are you today? Okay, thank goodness everyone is healthy. Who is not present today? Okay, everyone is here. As usual, before starting, let's pray first. Pray begins. Before starting the material this morning, I will ask who has ever watched television news about the weather forecast? Who has ever raised their hand? Looks like there are still people who haven't seen it, huh? Okay, I will ask again, how is the weather today? Yes, the weather is sunny today. Fish ma'am will tell you a story. You can carefully, okay?
Weather changed while playing football. Udin and Benny play football on the field. At that afternoon it felt cool. The wind blew gently. They had fun playing. Suddenly, the sky changed overcast. The clouds covered the sun. Udin still want to continue playing football. The sky is getting darker. The wind was blowing quite hard. Like rain began to fall. Udin and Benny ran. They are looking for a place to take shelter. Weather conditions often change. In the morning, the weather was cold. During the day, the weather feels very hot. In the afternoon, the weather was cold. The wind blew stronger. The rain started to stop. Benny and Udin rushed home to the house. They cleaned themselves with take a warm shower. Their bodies felt again fresh. The weather at night feels cooler.
After listening to the story, does anyone know the types of weather? Yes, that's right. One type of weather is rainy weather. Well, today we will learn about the types of weather in the world. Children, this lesson will help you understand the weather so you can choose in the right clothes or plan an activity. By learning weather symbols, you can more easily understand the weather forecast. After that, you can also see how the weather affects activities every day.
Okay, now I will present material about the weather. Please pay attention to the photo, okay? Weather. Understanding weather. Weather is the condition of the air at a certain place at a certain time. The science that studies weather is called meteorology. Weather is different from climate. Climate is the average air temperature over a long period of time over a very large area. The science that studies climate is called climatology. Weather is caused by change in the air around the earth as it heats up or cools down. Weather symbols. This is sunny weather. This is partly cloudy. This is windy. This is rainy. This is cloudy. This is snowy. Types of weather. Number 1. Hot weather means the sun is shining brightly and the air is very hot. The influence of air temperature high levels make the skin feels like it's burning. At that time, the sunlight was dazzling and the heat was high. Number 2. Sunny weather means the sky is clear, cloudless, and the air is warm. At that moment, it was like the sun shines brightly. Number 3. Cold weather means the air feels cold. If it rains, the air temperature is very low. Temperature the air at that time was different, not like usual. Okay, next, types of weather. Number 4. Rainy weather means raindrops fall to the earth. The weather is starting when the weather is windy, like the sky usually looks a bit cloudy. The air temperature is low and the wind blows hard, blowing away like objects in the past. Number 5. Snow weather is weather characterized by snowfall, which is crystals that fall to earth from the clouds.
Okay, after you explain what is meant by weather and what are the types of weather, those who know, please raise your hand. Yes, that's right. Okay, now, ma'am, continue again, okay?
Okay, next, the effect of weather on human life. Hot weather. Number 1, drying clothes. Number 2, because will dry quickly. Number 3, wear clothes that easily absorb sweat. Or rainy weather. Number 1, the ground will become wet. Number 2, stable from farming. Number 3, wear thick clothes so that your body don't get cold. Okay, next, the influence of weather on daily activities. Number 1, place of residence, the weather conditions in each place will be different, but there are areas that tend to have more weather cold or hot. Based on weather trends, human adjust the shape of their house or location derived onto life in. Number 2, plantation and agricultural fields are influenced by weather conditions. Cold weather can affect the growth of certain plants, while excessive rainy weather can damage plants. Number 3, human health is also influenced by the weather, such the spread of disease by mosquitoes during rainy weather. Number 4. On the other hand, industry and outdoor activities are also influenced by weather conditions. Extreme weather can limit outdoor activities and affect industrial production. Livestock cultivation and fisheries are also vulnerable to weather conditions, such as disease in livestock due to cold weather and difficulty getting feed during hot weather. Okay, next. Benefits of weather for human life. This time, we'll learn about rainy weather and its benefits. Benefits of rainy weather: number 1, fertilize the soil. Number 2, drinking water supply. Number 3, beneficial for agriculture. Number 4, save groundwater. Number 5, cleans the air. Okay, thank you for attention.
After you have listened to ma'am explanation, now I will show you a game. The game is called Weather Surprise. So, you match things related to the weather.
things in the place where they belong. Some things can only live in a cold, hot, or cool place. The thermometer will grab it, then click to drop it. Click the green checkbox. Done sorting. Lizard, lizard. Snowflake. Polar bear. Snake.
After I explained about the weather and you have also played the weather game, now is the time for you to work on the questions and the worksheet. Students can do it in groups. So, I have prepared a link in the YouTube description so that you can do it together. Later, do you understand? Okay, children. After this, ma'am will perform about a song about the weather. Let's sing it together, okay?
How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? It's sunny, it's rainy, it's cloudy, it's snowy. How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. It's sunny today.
After we learn about the weather, to test how much you understand about the weather, I will give you evaluation questions. So, I will read the questions and then you will answer them. Okay? Now understand, okay?
About evaluation, choose the most appropriate answer. Number 1. The condition of the air in an area that is not too dark in a short period of time is called A. Weather, B. Climate, C. Wind. The correct answer is A. Weather. Number 2. Look at the following picture. The symbol on the side is weather. A. Bright, B. Cloudy, C. Bright. The correct answer is A. Brick. Number 3. Donnie and Andre play football on the field when the weather. A. Bright, B. Cloudy, C. Bright. The correct answer is either A or B.
Children, after learning so much about today's weather, who remembers what we have learned? Yes, that's right. Today we have learned about the meaning, types and benefits of weather in everyday life. Great. Now you have homework. For a week, observe the weather in the morning, afternoon, and evening, then record in the weather calendar that you made. At the next meeting, we will discuss the result together in class. Do you understand the assessment? Okay, if you understand the assessment, thank you for enthusiasm today. Continue learning about our environment, have fun observing the weather, and see you at the next meeting. Bye-bye.